Pem sakafo ye de ensem ni si e de bebre o e na no pe Kotoko training grounds ye wo ha na ehu se Kotoko player Kotoko goalkeeper youngster omoto ni free Park Academy Fatau Seidu Kotoko ni free Park Academy together with Peter Amidu Akwa and ye de man loan to Future Stars because already Kotoko were 3 goalkeepers into obeka ho 4 nti omoto no mo de man loan so onko bo adwuma na anopai Kotoko ahead of preparation towards RTU game no goalkeeper Fatao mpanyifo afre no o ma recall no mahu and Kotoko kra Facebook handles we twa photo e de abeto ho a player no eye training ahead of game a ebeba so RTU de no which is Fatao Seidu. Yes, one Kotoko eye training a yafre no frɛ na yafre no obi nim sa RTU game no on ne beda anase enyo on ne beda details more no ewa ha de enim no ene ye kan de asi no ene ye report so kwai fa so si ye no ena ye report amount ewo Super 24 TV no so surprise amanfo kakra obi busa se enti Fatau Seidu obi a o loan de den na Kotoko asa frɛ no ese omra no ni team ni meye training ahead of RTU game no currently me say goalkeeper friend Danlad Ibrahim de Eden on that screen so na oye training Kalu Atara a pie shot to be a Kalu Atara shot no which was a save a panty a quality na mu kanyeli mo save so be ni nyina amaye enti the woman say Fatau Seidu about back to Kotoko training but onye registered me kaisa Kotoko registered 3 players 3 goalkeepers, which is Frederick Asari, Danlad Ibrahim, and Amois Poati. But Kotoko sign keep your desk screen so no. But as to say, you're registered for Ghana Premier League matches there. Me kai bibisa and minim the first one and page for fetch you register and cooler and so minim. Enti RT game na man forecast ono na ekwa akoda go no. I cannot confirm. Maybe the reports are no pay ben saka and I said they no pay me who say waba training or desk screen so watch ball no and me. But what I can confirm they say next season Kotoko first 3 goalkeepers Fatau Seidu eka ho. Yes, and no dear minhwehwe mu ade de say ono obegina mbi ama Kotoko first 3 goalkeepers no. But RTU game eba so die minim sa ono ene bekwa akoda. Meanwhile Poate de ono we dwa because ono asemma ye na sinchense masa yakofa Frederick Asare nti ono nso the trimu ntene ne sa already at the end of the season ono nso ukọ Danlad asem de eden Danlad asem no age se mpanyifo ka me Danlad o future me mpese obe free Kotoko but anya abasa na obekọ a Kotoko no ukuma apema eden ebeba